Hi everybody, and welcome back to the MetaTailor YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our educational series where we are honing in and focusing on specific elements within MetaTailor to make sure you are using it to the best of its ability. Today we're looking at importing dresses. So stick around, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, here we are inside of MetaTailor. I already got an avatar pulled up, so let's go ahead and import a dress onto this character, and then we'll switch avatars over to a female character at the end. So we've got our avatar pulled up. We can find the import up here with the little house icon or home icon, design, and import. We're going to be importing a cloth and accessory, and you can see the acceptable file types are .fbx, .obj, .mta, .gltf, and .glb. Then we're going to go ahead and find that dress. There's that dress right there. Let's go ahead and choose this dress. All right, it has applied this dress for us. We can see there's the name, there's the meshes. If it had multiple UVs, they would be hiding under here. You can change your hue and saturation and change the overall color of it. But remember, these colors are just locked into MetaTailor right now. You can't export any changes you do in here just yet. But I can come in and go to my color and choose this dress's color. And there we go. It's kind of added this design to it. Add some normal maps. Added a couple wrinkles for us, but I'm not liking the sheen of that, so I'll go ahead and get rid of those normal maps. Did I click on the right normal map in the first place? No, I did not. All right, so let's go ahead and just kind of keep it like that. It's got this nice kind of stylized dress with this nice pattern down here. You can see the cuffs there, the belt. I'm happy with that. You can, like I said, change the smoothness to soften that up. You can change the metallicness to kind of add some sheen to it. This is a pretty big dress. It's got 100,000 polys that are more than 100,000 polys, so it is warning us. Let's go ahead and hit next step, and we're going to choose what this is, and I'm going to choose dress. And so you see it tries to scale it and size it. I can click keep source dimensions, but it's very tiny, so it did not show up. We'll go ahead and hit next step again, and this is where we place it on our character. I'll start by moving it up, scaling it way down to like there. There we go, bring it up so it's matching right around the sleeves. That's a pretty good size. I don't think I'm going to change that very much. I can pull it up just a little bit more, maybe not, maybe I'll pull it down. We'll go ahead and hit confirm. We'll do a start pose match. Now, of course, this is a masculine body type coming in and trying to fit in this dress. We'll make a couple adjustments and changes to change the size of it. So the closer these gizmos get together, the thinner the limbs get. So you can see I can kind of shrink the arms down a little bit, get those shoulders matching a little bit. And in order for MetaTailor to read it, we just need to hit about 60% accuracy. We don't need to hit 100% accuracy. So I'm just doing some quick changes here and moving these into position. And then what that'll do is MetaTailor will take this and take it as this dumb mesh that it is right now and turn it into a MetaTailor smart mesh, which will skin it and weight it and get it wrapped around our character. So that's pretty good. That's pretty accurate. Let's go ahead and hit confirm and next step. That's also the spot where if you wanted to take a T pose and change it to an A pose or vice versa, depending on your clothing, it would work. All right, so it's expanding the dress to fit the broader shoulders of this character because of those changes we made. Tweaking the weights, and there we go. That's sitting pretty accurately. Let's go ahead and, like I said, take this and grab a different avatar and apply it to a different female avatar. Swap avatar, and we get to see it move easily over to a different character. Even better. There's some touch-ups you can do in the tool settings to get this to fit a little bit better, but overall, that's a really nice looking, well-wrapped dress. And that's importing a dress. And that's it for this video. Hopefully this either answered a question or taught you something new about MetaTailor because it's such a powerful program that has so much potential that you are able to do everything you need to do within it. So thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like and subscribe down below to see more videos like this one. And that's it. Get out of here. Go get dressed. Bye, everybody.